Good evening, everybody. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. And if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to convert PDF into images on CamScanner. So at first, you need to open up your CamScanner app and you need to find tools on the bottom, or you can even click on all right here. After you're on this page and you have landed here, you need to find PDF to images, which will be right here. And after you click on that, you need to find the PDF that you want to convert into images. I have found one PDF, so I'm going to click on OK, and now it has been converted. It is a really simple process which will take minimum seconds, and all of your images has been converted now. So you can use this any way you want. You can even download it and whatnot. So I believe I've taught you guys how to convert PDF to images, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.